Ngwataniro ya One Kenya Alliance OKA ni tũngĩtie gũthana mũhuhu ũrĩa ũkoretwo kuo atĩ amwe a atongoria ao nĩ maranyita mbaru ng'ethanĩria ngĩ gĩtĩ-inĩ kĩa president ũmũthĩ makeyumiria kũregana na ndereti ĩno na kuga atĩ OKA ndĩrenyenyio.
Wish to assure Kenyans that the One Kenya Alliance is intact. We urge Kenyans to disregard speculations, misinformation and unfounded rumors doing the rounds that some members of the alliance have shifted to other political formations.
No, the issue of KANU being in Jubilee coalition is for this government. For the next government, what we're working for is KANU will be in OKA.
I have not received any formal or informal invitation from anybody.
Honorable Raila Odinga was last year. In fact, one day before, he attended my party's delegates congress on 25th of November 2021. I've never spoken to him since then. I hope that answers you. How can you flirt with somebody with whom you have no communication?
Mutongoria wa kiama kia ANC Musalia Mudavadi niokiriire munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Dr Wililliam Ruto ni miario yake ica ikuhi akiuga ati niaramunyita mbaru. Riu akiuga matigite na giikaro na muteti wothe na kungigia na miario ta ino niakeyumiria na kuanirira kingangaini.
No formal invitation has come to me yet. If it comes, we shall deal with it when it reaches us, or at least me. As far as I'm concerned, I am free to meet everybody. And if I meet that person, I will not shy away from telling Kenyans I have met Mr. So-and-so or Mrs. So-and-so or Madam So-and-so. So let Kenyans know that I will speak to them freely, without fear, without intimidation, and in the open.
Atongoria ngwataniro ĩno nĩ mathiĩte na mbere kuga atĩ ngwataniro ĩno ndĩkũgĩa na njatũkano ĩndĩ nĩ megũthura ũmwe wao ta mũhũranĩri wa gĩtĩ kĩa president na kũrũgama nake nginyagia hĩndĩ ya gĩthurano. Rĩu magĩteanĩria ndereti ĩrĩa ĩkoretwo kuo atĩ gĩthurano gĩkĩ nĩ kĩa mbarathi igĩrĩ.
The process to identify a flag bearer is at an advanced stage. In this regard, the OKA principals will proceed on a retreat to consider recommendations from the technical team, which is currently finalizing the report.
A two-horse race and OKA is coming in to force a runoff. There is nobody in their right frame of mind that will join a race to precipitate a situation. We only have joined the race to win.
Oho nĩ maikĩtie rĩtana kũrĩ thirikari kũgitĩra ateti ũndũ ũmwe na mũingĩ kumana na ũrugarĩ wa kĩũteti rĩu makĩũria atongoria kũgĩa na wĩigĩrĩrĩki.
The country has seen heightening of political tensions, with some quarters beating unwelcome drums of war. The One Kenya Alliance has consistently warned against holding our elections under a cloud of fear and intimidation. We therefore call upon the government to ensure that adequate security is provided for all Kenyans to freely exercise their freedom of association, assembly and expression of their ideas.
Ribotera Wega TV njĩtagwo Kamau wa Gĩthĩnji.